Hi everybody.
Hi!
We're finally making a video together.
And it's on Animal Jam. This is totally not his idea.
It's actually not my idea. I had no idea.
I wanted to make... Get out of here.
No, we have to make the username Fabio, guys.
We need another
name.
Fabio!
Okay, so good on that one.
Oh.
Fabio for life in the comment section below.
Fabio.
For life.
Fabio Lightwood.
What?
Fabio Lightwood. That's his name.
No, it wasn't. It was just Fabio.
You don't remember?
Welcome to Animal
Shut up!
Jam.
Shut up!
Check out all of these amazing animals.
Okay, which one looks
and
like a
choose
Fabio?
which
This
one
one looks like a
you
That
would
Fabio.
like to
that
be.
looks like a
Then
Fabio.
click Next.
Yeah, get that. Yeah, that's Fabio.
Click the arrow buttons to pick a fun new name for your animal.
There's no Fabio!
Just randomize it.
Perfect Ranger nose.
Well, he does have a nose, so like.
No.
No, you guys.
Enter your
Not
birthday
every animal
and
can
tell
have
us
a
if you
nose,
are a boy.
like Fabio.
My birthday,
Then create
Just
a
click,
unique
like,
username
February
and password for your account.
23rd.
Ask a parent for help if you
You
need
could be 100 years old.
24th. I am
Yeah, his name's Fabio. Exactly. Let's make him 100 years old.
He's 8.
No, he's 100. No age restrictions, guys. Fabio, yeah. Fabio. Fabio Light. What?
Wood.
Stop! What am I doing?
Yeah, the wolf was baited, and we need to calm down. You guys, our password is our username. Confirmed.
I'm gonna need to pause this so I can write the
You
password.
can't pause it. You're recording on desktop. Small 100 years old. I don't have a parent. I find that very offensive. Just make it like 100,000
My
at
parents'
gmail.com.
email.
100,000 at gmail.com. You have to put at gmail. Yeah, put gmail.com. Because Animal Jam's stupid. Just copy and paste it, I guess. Copy and paste. Candy Crush! See, he's so happy.
Finally, review the Animal Jam code of
Nobody
conduct.
actually reads it.
I know.
Close the door.
Shut the door.
Turn the light. Oh.
No.
What's that hair?
No, this is like the worst part of being a new jammer. Run.
I'm not gonna follow you, okay? Just because you said that.
Walk in the
Excuse
water.
me, my name is not New Jammer. My name is Fabio. Ew, people.
I'm so excited.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. There's people.
A bunny does not have that type of approach.
Never.
Here at Jamal, everyone has their own unique style.
I'm leaving.
Let's start by customizing yours.
Maybe I don't
Why
want to.
can't I leave? Okay. Fabio's kind of
Choose and
emo.
find lots of different
No,
colors.
gray. Make it gray.
You can change the shape and color of your eyes. And you can create lots of different colorful patterns.
Let's make him
Why
like
don't you
bunnies
give
in
it a
your.
try? When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner.
Okay, shut up and let me do this.
Seriously, triggered. Make his eyes red. This is a normal look, I promise you. Get you.
Oh my
When you are
gosh.
happy with your new look,
Dead.
use the X button.
Okay, shut up. We heard you the first time.
Just X. Oh, she's very annoying. That is hot. I appreciate of that. I approve of this. Color me rad.
Everyone seems to love the new you. How do you feel about it?
Die, elephant, die.
You can
Die.
Summon a sword. Grab a sword.
To show I know just what you need.
mean?
Hey, look! Free stuff!
You get free stuff.
She gives you money. Go back to her. Like, oh, I suddenly love you now. Give me the money.
Give me the money and shut up.
Oh man, we're
Wow!
so rich.
Look at all those gems!
Look at us.
A second ago it was 1,500.
Damn. Get your
Wow,
currency.
Stop it.
Here are like
Rich.
you'll find more fun.
That is not a
gems
glitch at
as you
all.
explore for Jamal,
Fabio.
along with lots of
R.I.P.
places to
Fabio.
spend them.
My dad is the coolest. Shut up.
You were there 5 years ago. You need to shut up, okay,
You're
Jimmy
ready
Boo?
to explore on your own.
Jaboo.
This way to Jamal. This way to Jamal.
I'm going in front of you because you're not cool enough.
Snap.
Welcome to your den.
Ew.
Your own.
Kill yourself.
These are your den items.
No, what else are
Picture
they?
of an item.
No, because I thought they
You
were
can
backyard
move items around by
items.
clicking and dragging them around your den.
Yeah, but I'm
Let's make it look nice because he's Fabio.
Fabio deserves everything nice.
Go ahead and
Fabio
give it a
reminds
try.
me of Cole.
Stop. I can just expose you right now.
Expose who?
You.
Why?
But I won't though, because I'm nice.
Wait, you're talking about you know who. Shut up.
I'm kidding, I won't expose you. Okay. We're so good at decorating. I haven't even touched this situation yet. I'm just commenting.
Fucking whoops.
Whoops! Profanity! We're gonna have to edit that out.
No, we're not.
No, we're not. We're too lazy for that. But I won't let it. Because I'm not.
Sorry, I got mad. Cause this guy.
She got triggered because the carpet would not go under the couch.
Yeah, it wouldn't.
Yeah, that's
I swear a lot. Get used to it.
Get used to it.
Pew pew. You could handle it, right? Good. You can too.
No, she can't.
Yes, you can. Fuck.
See, I told her she can't handle it. She's dying over here, just like, she's like, sound the alarms. Okay.
Just doing something we do.
There's a nice looking fellow at our school. Let's talk about that.
Making my way downtown, walking fast.
Okay, I didn't swear that time, okay? Calm down. Wait, am I free now?
Yes, you're free. No, run. Let's go yell at people. Go yell at people.
What?
Yeah. You can say gray though. Like, I'm gray, guys. Even though you're black and red. Black and red and I'm dead on the inside and out. Animal Jam!
Nobody loves Animal Jam!
It's very annoying, I must say. Jeez. But it's annoying. Like, I play it, but it's really annoying. Because Animal Jam's like,
Okay, let's go troll people.
yay! Wait, check what server you're in.
There's nobody on. Well, no, that's not.
You don't have any buddies on.
That should say something.
Just like, just.
Looking for a girlfriend! Let's find a Fabio girlfriend!
Yes, but first look at all those people. You just don't have your down. Okay, can you just go to that right there? For a hot lady.
For a hot elephant.
Same, honestly. Looking for a hot elephant. Nothing broke. Hey, thank you. Making my way down to walking fast. Changes past and a hold down.
I'm Fabio.
I found Fabio. I'm getting blocked by this stupid person. Hi. I said hi, guys.
I was spoken to.
Yes, you were spoken. Here you go. Oh, yeah!
Oh my gosh, my first friend.
Yo, that's so cool.
What was it?
If you make a new jammer account, you get all gold.
I didn't do that. We're doing it right now. New job account, never that.
But I'm gonna elaborate that. Know that. Yo.
I know. I made that with. I made it like his name was like. It just. I don't know. I
That's
just.
so cool.
I
I'm
give
just.
They don't give us carpets?
No, they're in storage. Okay, you guys, we have like a short amount of time for this video.
We're gonna do part 2 if you want.
Sooner or later, probably not. Most likely.
Probably not, because I'm so bad at this.
Because legit, you guys, she never makes videos. You see that I have to make these videos 24/7. All of it.
Okay, we're ending it.
Anyway, guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video.
Yeah, bye.